Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Now we have, again, we're asked to draw free body diagrams. There are four problems, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So in problem 15, we have a truss structure that has a roller support at the right end here, so one unknown force component, and a pin joint at the other end, so we have two unknown reaction forces here, force components here. And then it has three external loads, one up here, and one here. In problem 16, we have a beam that's pinned at one end, carrying a weight at the other end, and then it's supported by a rope or a cable. So again, we have our external load, our weight acting at this end. We have a pin joint here, so we have two components of reaction force. Then we also have reaction forces here and here, but because this is a cable going over a pulley, they'll have the same magnitude. So again, we'll have three unknowns, so we'll be able to solve the problem. In this case, we have a person standing or carrying some heavy stuff on their back. And I've just kind of drawn a little schematic of this. So this is kind of their legs, and there's things that they're holding on their back. And then that has it has some weight, material that they're holding. And then where they're in contact with the floor, we have reaction forces. I've drawn the horizontal components because technically they could be non-zero, but in this case they will be zero. And in fact, we wouldn't be able to solve for both of them anyway, because if we have two components of reaction force on each foot, we'll have too many unknowns for our static analysis. So in the end, these will be zero, or at least the sum of these will be zero. Obviously, the person could be pushing this way with one foot and pushing this way with the other, but the sum of these things will be zero. And then problem 18, we have a beam that's kind of cantilevered, a sliding cantilever over on the left-hand side, a roller support on the right-hand side, and then a load at the middle. And so this sliding cantilever support won't provide any vertical force, but will be able to provide horizontal force and a moment. It turns out this horizontal force would be zero because there's no external applied horizontal force.